Merry Christmas to me. See what all we got here. We're unboxing my Cosori food dehydrator. 6 trays, I believe. Stay tuned. We'll get her unboxed here and see what happens. 165 degrees. I got her set for 9 hours. Let me show you what's inside. Stop it. Open it up. We're making deer jerky, y'all. I forgot to show you that while I was getting it set, but here we go. My Cosori. Let's close her up and set it again. Let's see. This will be my first time using it, and we're going to go 165. I'm going to go 9 hours. Oops. Yeah, 9 hours and hit start. It's 9:04, which is close enough. We'll go 9 hours. I'm going to check it in about 5 or 6. As ground deer burger mixed with soy sauce. That's the only flavor I put on it. We're going to give that a try. That's 1 1/4 pound of deer meat. Stay tuned. Retired Rick. We'll show you the finished product later. And the finished product from making jerky. Deer jerky with soy sauce.